My name is Mustafa Al-Zagbi. I'm a Senior Technical Evangelist at Microsoft. I love to work with customers and partners to build cutting-edge technologies and solutions. The Intupower, they have a business problem that they would love to approach and build solutions around it. And what really excites me working with Intupower is they have real business problems and they would like to build solutions around it using Microsoft technologies. Working with Mo is so much fun. Usually he comes from the business background where he basically provide details about the business challenge that he has working with customers, and he's looking for technical solutions and basically having a trust working with Microsoft. That's what basically makes our partnership with Intupower is unique.
Hi, I'm Mo Hassan, founder and managing partner of Intupower and the author of The Truth About SharePoint, Essentials for Executives and Managers. After teaching executives for 20 years, I've learned that the vast majority of issues that plague our planet can be solved by one simple solution: collaboration. I started Intupower with the value that we can create a world that works by working together. As a training and consulting firm, Intupower is committed to staying on the cutting edge of technology so we can bring the best solutions to our clients. Thanks to our partnership with Microsoft, which is a critical component to our formula for success, we now have a perfect example of collaboration to solve problems in the world and create a major difference. I'm Mo Hassan, and I look forward to collaborating with you.
I just like to work with Microsoft customers and partners to solve real business problems. It's fun to work, especially with partners here in Washington, D.C., since they have different requirements, especially when it comes to the security and compliancy. And this is what, when we start working with Intupower, most of their clients, they really care about security as one of the requirements, and actually one of the core requirements for building solutions for Intupower customers.
One of my favorite clients is an economic development bank that works in over 25 countries. When they achieve their mission, roads get built so people can travel safely from community to community. Schools get built so children have an opportunity to get a real education. And hospitals are built so the sick have a place to heal. Their work directly impacts the lives of millions. And the challenge they face as an organization, as a team, is no different than other globally distributed workforces. Intupower was brought in to solve the workflow issues that revolve around file sharing, communication, and access to critical data when the users need it most. How do we bring the power of SharePoint and Office 365 to a custom mobile app that streamlines collaboration?
Basically, we are happy to work with Intupower to build new cutting-edge solutions using Microsoft technologies.
Having Microsoft as our technology partner and working directly with Mustafa Al-Zagbi, Senior Technical Evangelist, has been an amazing experience. Microsoft shares the same concerns as I do for the solution. First, risk mitigation. When billions of dollars are on the line, security matters. Next, future-proofing. It's not good enough that the solution works today. Can it keep up with what's coming tomorrow? And then robust functionality. A great app must be more than just a beautiful user interface and intuitive navigation. It needs to address the issues that affect the users the most. And of course, performance. A common issue remote users face is slow performance. I want to ensure that every user has a great experience no matter where they are. Working with Microsoft, we created an API solution on Azure that addresses these issues.
So we build a unique solution that basically is able to cache the user credentials, where when the user log in using the mobile app, they will be able to store these access tokens on the application server, and therefore for any subsequent calls to the API, they will be able to retrieve this access token and directly go to the Microsoft Graph API. Traditionally, to call any function or method within Microsoft Graph, you need to have an access token for it. So think about it, if you need to call 10 methods, you need to have you have to retrieve an access token for each one of these calls. So what we did in the solution is basically for the first time when the user logged in, we get an access token and we use this token for every call to Microsoft API, and therefore there's no need to retrieve an access token every time you need to call a Microsoft Graph API. I like to work with Intupower people. They are so fun to work with, and thank you for having us to work with you and help you solve real business problems.
To learn more about how Intupower can help you increase productivity and improve collaboration, please visit us online at intupower.com.